Hey guys, this is Mrs. Rush. We're going to do today notes for dividing decimals. So we've already done adding decimals, subtracting decimals, and multiplying decimals. So this will be the last part with decimals that we'll look at, which is dividing decimals. So I passed out this sheet to you all, and you're going to fill in these notes, the words on the blank lines as we go through. All right, here we go. So for dividing decimals, here are the steps. Step 1. We're going to put the first number inside the division box. So we put the first number they give us inside the division box. This number is called the dividend. I'll bring this back a little bit. Okay. Step 2. Put the second number outside the division box. Put the second number outside the division box. This number is called the divisor. If you look at these two words, guys, dividend right here, okay, and then divisor down here, notice that they both start with D-I-V-I. D-I-V-I, kind of like the word divide starts with D-I-V-I, okay? So dividend goes in the inside, divisor is the number on the outside. All right. All right, 2 more steps. Step 3, we now divide as we normally would with whole numbers. That's once we have our problem set up, we just divide as we would with whole numbers. And step 4, bring the decimal point straight up into your answer or into the quotient. All right, great. Now flip over, we're going to try a couple problems together. Okay, I will do the first one for you. All right, so here we go. Let me just open up my little paint tool. Okay, and use the pencil. Okay. Oops, these little words for some reason popped up. Let me get out of here. Okay, so disregard these words. I'm sorry. Cross those off. Those should not be on your notes. Okay, here we go. So the first number, 3.45, that's going to go in the inside of the division box. So here we go. We'll set up the little division box symbol. And 3.45 is going to go inside. Remember, that's called the dividend. Okay, we put 3.45 inside. Now, we're going to put the second number divided by 5, the second number on the outside of the box, right here. Okay, and that number is called the divisor. Normally, I wouldn't have this line touching here. It's just a little hard to draw with the pencil, sorry. All right, now we divide as we would with whole numbers. We say, can 5 go into 3? No. So you don't have to do this always, but I'm going to put a 0. Okay. Can 5 go into 34? Yes, it can. It can actually go in 6 times. So I put the 6 right above where the 4 ends, okay? Then you say 6 times 5 is 30. Put the 30 down here. Then we subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. So I'll just leave that blank. Remember now we can bring this number, the 5, straight down into our answer. Because 5 wouldn't go into 4, but we can bring down the 5 and 5 will go into 45 9 times. So I put the 9 right up here, right above the 5. Okay. 9 times 5 is 45. Bring that down here. Then I subtract and get 0. All right, the last part, we bring the decimal straight up into our answer. So go do, 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 right here. So our answer for 3.45 divided by 5 is 0.69. That's our answer. All right, guys, I'd like you to try to set up number 2, and then we'll go over it on the board. Thanks.